Hello people, this is Sandy. I'm one of the professional teachers in Italki, and I want to talk today in this video regards one of my specialization subjects on Italki, which is business English. Now, business English is a skill that's in high demand throughout the world from companies, government sources, many sorts of organizations. So people that are looking for good opportunities and good career paths, they do very well if they have a good level of business English. Should you be interested in learning business English, then this is a video you should watch, because I'll explain what's needed and how you go about it. So, thank you. So let me begin by trying to define business English for you. In this global world of commerce and the requirement for organizations and businesses to communicate with each other, English has become the dominant and most popular language for communications. Now, to learn business English is a matter of increasing the vocabulary and the use of that vocabulary, along with the necessary grammar, etc., to be able to work in business type environments throughout the world and communicate effectively. Many documents are prepared in the English language, like contracts and specifications, etc. And this is also a very important aspect of business English. So, who can actually learn and develop good business English skills? Well, I think a lot of people can actually, but the first requirement, let me just explain. If you want to make a cake, say a wedding cake or a birthday cake, then before you can put all the fancy icing on and put all the nice colours and the decorations on and make it look something that everybody's going to admire, you of course need to have a cake. Well, when we talk about business English, the cake is a basic grounding in the English language. And to learn business English, you need to have at least an intermediate level of English, B1 or B2 to start with. And the higher you have, the better and easier it will be for you. So what do we do when we're learning business English? Well, we're learning a whole lot of new vocabulary that you never normally use in other situations. You're also learning when it needs to be applied and how to apply it. As far as English conversation skills, you still need them in abundance, because a lot of the normal conversation is done in ordinary conversation skills. But when we move into the business aspect, then we use another two forms of English. We use a semi-formal type of English, and we use a formal type of English. And depending on what particular area of business you work in, depends upon the type of vocabulary that you need to support your business English. Now, business English is used by a whole host of organizations, departments and businesses. For instance, just in a business, your human resources, your sales and marketing, your contracts departments, your design departments, your IT departments, all need to have a good working level of business English. In businesses, through the world, politics even, business English is required for correspondence. In medical, they have their own vocabulary for medical, as do law. They have their own vocabulary also. So the aspect of business English is vast, actually, absolutely vast. And for those maybe seeking a new career path or even a start to a good career, then I would recommend that you consider improving your English and getting a working knowledge of business English, and particularly in the sphere that interests you. It may be project management, it may be design, or whatever, but there will be a requirement at some time that you have to have business English, and the sooner you have it and the more you can develop it, the better for you. So how do you go about getting these skills? Well, as I said before, you need a basic grounding in English. And if you've got that and you're interested in getting a level of business English, then maybe it's time that you should talk to me, and My Tokai link is in the description below this video, and I would love it if you are interested, then book a lesson with me and let's talk about what you want to do and where you want to go. Like many of my other students who are well down the path of learning their business English for corresponding in emails, letters, doing presentations, doing sales presentations, all sorts of things, even public speaking. It's all important aspects that are associated with business English, because business English and the formal aspects of it are in high demand for many, many purposes. So your first step is to book a lesson with me, and we'll have a talk about where you are now and how you want to get to where you want to be, and I'd be glad to help you get there. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe and take care. Bye for now. Bye.